Whoa, books can be heavy sometimes. Maybe Max can help. I'm strong. I got this. Hey, let me get that for you. Oh, thanks, Max. Gotta pump my muscles. Man, these books are heavy. Whoa! Aha! A 5, 6, 7. Dance it off. Huh? What is he doing? Hey Max, the books! Man, these books ruined everything. Lunch with friends is always the best. Hey Max, wait! Hi! Ugh, what the? Oh, sorry, it was like really hot. Max, you threw the pizza right on top of me. Wow, Max still didn't learn his lesson. It's a work day and Max has stopped by to see his favorite person. Huh? Are you waving at me? Yes, you. I'm waving at you. Oh, hi, I guess? Look at what I got you. Huh? For me? Yeah, come here. Wow, what a surprise. Here you go, Joyce. Oops. I guess he really wasn't waving at you. Sorry, Amy. Whew, busy work day. Might have to take work home today. Oh, oops, I bumped into Joyce. Well, I'll step. Wait, maybe, what if I go this way and you go that way? Okay. Yeah, let's just squeeze through and woo, we made it. The library is a perfect place to get some reading done. I wonder what she's going to listen to. Ooh, that's quite some dancing, Amy. Huh? Where is that music coming from? Shh. Oh, sorry, I'll dance quieter. What? No, that's not what I meant. Hey! Ugh. Look! You had it unplugged this entire time. Oh, sorry. I'll plug it in. Wow, Amy. Better hide that shame. Almost. Yes! Up high! Hello? Max, right here. Max, pay attention. Ugh, whatever. I got me. Whoa, this movie is really crazy. Time for a snack. What are you doing? This is really weird. Oh no, did Joyce see? Oh, I hope Max will be alright. A date can be just what you need. To scare you to death? Get out of there, Max. Huh, wait, where are you going? Hey, Joyce, why are you so sad? I don't know what happened. Max, he just left and he didn't say... Hey, girl, stop. Check your teeth. Oh, wait, what do you mean? Whoa, that was there this entire time? I need to get this out. This is so embarrassing. Poor Joyce. Time to go home now. Bye, girl. Oh, wait, you have to go this way? Oh, well, okay, cool, me too. Oh, finally, the sidewalk. Bye again. Oh, what? We're still walking together? Oh, man, this is really awkward. Okay, please go straight. Please go straight. Bye. Oh, man, that is really weird. At least it's over. Oh, selfies are life. But what the? Hey, why would you do that? Excuse me, are you even listening? My books. Sorry, Amy. She's way into her pictures. She won't listen. Oh, these will look so fabulous. Whoa! Hey, that's a good angle. Yeah, she's serious. Sorry.